I just got 2 Amazon packages in the mail. Let's open them because I don't really remember what's in them. So this will be really fun for the both of us. Okay, well, it's just a helicopter flying in my backyard. Oh. So I got some bulk fulvic mineral drops. So it's I'll tell you, it supports nutrient absorption, gut health, detoxification, and more. So I got that. Drippy drippy. Then you put them in your drink. I love me some supplements. Love spending money on supplements. Or should I say wasting money on supplements that I have time to pick up. This is for me. This is for me. What is it? I'm not gonna read it. Just a nice bread knife. Oh, I know. You guys are gonna love this. JK, probably not, but. I'm gonna start. Oh, gorgeous. I'm gonna start sourdoughing. So I got these jars to make Are these big enough? These look small. Friend, is this too small for a sourdough starter? Why is this so little? Well, regardless, I'm gonna start trying to make some sourdough. But I've got 6 of them, so I could do like little tiny starters. I don't know. But yeah, so, also you should go follow my friend, the Sourdough Girly. Her page is pure magic and she is so good at sourdoughing. So I'm trying to be like her, you know what I'm saying?